Here we have a 69 plate BMW 320i M Sport. This vehicle comes with the 19-inch black alloy wheels, all in excellent condition and unmarked. We also have the blue metallic exterior paintwork. We have the LED daytime running headlights. We also have the gloss black front kidney grills. We have the full M Performance kit, which includes the front splitter just there. We also have the side skirt along the bottom. We have the colour-coded door handles. We have the black door mirrors, black trim around the windows with the privacy glass for the rear passengers. We have the shark fin antennae up top. We also have the rear spoiler just there as well. We also have front and rear parking sensors with a reversing camera as well. We have the dual exhaust with the rear diffuser. And then walking back round to the driver's side, you'll find this vehicle is free from any major marks, dents or scratches. So if you take a look at the interior, coming into the back first, you find we have the full leather interior, we have the foldable armrest in the centre, also we have the fixed ISO points, climate control for the rear passengers just down there, electric windows on the doors. Take a look at the front, again the full leather interior, both these front seats are heated, and there's a look at them. Again on the doors we have the electric windows, we also have the electric mirrors, we have the auto lights just down here, the ambient lighting as well, auto wipers, we have a multifunctional steering wheel which has the paddle shifters on either side, we also have the cruise control and the speed limiter just there as well, digital dashboard up top, we also have the main infotainment screen as well in the centre, which has lights of the sat nav. We also have the DAB radio, we have the Bluetooth phone connectivity, a range of media and apps, we have all the different drive modes as well, the intelligent safety. But that's all I'm going to show you guys today. Once this vehicle gets a full valet, we'll do a more in-depth video. If you'd like to find out more, then please check out the website. Thank you for watching.
Video test drive of this 2019 BMW 320i M Sport. Now the purpose of this video test drive today is to show that the vehicle drives exactly how you would expect it to. Now as you can see, I'm not as fat with steering wheel, so you keep it in a straight line, going straight and true, not veering off to the left or to the right hand side. Now we do have a multifunction steering wheel or paddle shift if we wish to take the car into manual mode. On the left hand side of the multifunction steering wheel, you do get your cruise control and speed limiter. Now you do get the digital dash in front of you, which is full of different bits of driving information. You have your map in the centre, and you can also change what is on the right hand side dial. Now you have your screen in the centre, where you can find your satellite navigation. You have your Bluetooth media, Bluetooth audio connectivity, DAB radio, and you also have your front and rear parking sensors with a rear reversing camera. Just below that we have your dual zone climate control with ice cold aircon. You also have your two heated front seats functions there as well. Two front seats are very comfortable. All seats throughout are full leather, but the two front seats are heated and have the extended fire support. Now you can quite easily do 2, 3, even 400 miles in this vehicle and still get up feeling fresh. You have your BMW individual trim throughout this vehicle, makes it a very nice environment to be in. So right now I'm coming up to the industrial state. I'm going to take a right, I'm going to follow me, stop, pop it straight into reverse, just show that the brakes work exactly how you'd expect them to, and you'll see pop up on the centre screen, your visual display of your front and rear parking sensors, and also your rear reversing camera. So just waiting for a couple of cars to pass, and then I'll be able to pull in from a countdown of 3. I'll do the emergency stop. So pulling in now, then just stop in 3, 2, 1. Hard and steady brakes, straight into reverse, no issues whatsoever. Rear camera, front and rear parking sensors, back into drive, again, no issues whatsoever. Now, if you have answered all the questions that requires during this test drive and walk around video, please feel free to get in contact with the sales team, where they can answer questions and also answer and also go through some inquiries with you. Got my words muddled up then. But that's it for me in this walk around video test drive. Hope to hear from you soon. Cheers.